I'm about to give you something that could completely change your relationship with artificial intelligence in your work. In the next 8 minutes, you'll walk away with a fully personalized AI agent. Not one that kind of works. One that works exactly like you think. But only if you stay until the end. Because this isn't just another random tip. This isn't another AI hack. This is a turning point. Let's start with something familiar. How many times have you opened ChatGPT, typed a smart question, and got a response that felt close, but not quite right? It wasn't wrong, but it didn't sound like you. You thought to yourself, that's not what I meant. So you rephrased, asked again, got another version. Still not quite right. Eventually you gave up. I've been there too. Here's the truth. The problem isn't the artificial intelligence. The problem is that it doesn't know you yet. AI doesn't just need input, it needs context. It needs your tone, your goals, your preferences, your quirks, even the things that frustrate you, and the way to give it that single, brilliant prompt designed around who you really are. Right now, most people use artificial intelligence like it's Google 2.0. They type, it responds. They refine the question, it responds again. They keep wondering why it still sounds robotic. Because real intelligence starts with identity. When AI understands who you are, knows your audience, knows your goals, knows how you like to think, that's when it starts giving insights, not just answers. And here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to learn prompts. You just need to understand yourself and connect it to a system that does the rest. That's what this is. It's the same method we use. Change the way we work. Now, it's yours. Step 1. The personal questionnaire. Don't worry, it's not a boring 50-question quiz. It's a deep dive into you, your goals, values, boundaries, audience, and more. Answer it when you're calm. No rush. Take your time, because this is where your AI agent learns how to truly think like you. Let's say that's it. Here's a real example. I want to save time creating content. I like short, punchy answers. My audience is busy small business owners. I hate when AI uses generic fluff or sounds too formal. Perfect. Not trying to sound smart. You're trying to sound like you. And that's the goal. Step 2. The master prompt. Now we take your answers and embed them into a single instruction. What we call your master prompt. This isn't just a paragraph asterisk. This is your AI identity. This is where the shift begins. Instead of cold prompts, like, write a business plan for a new idea, you'll now say, you're my strategic advisor. I'm building a digital brand with no exposure, limited budget, and a calm vibe. Help me design a simple AI-powered business model that earns money, quietly. Big difference, right? This master prompt becomes your interface, your extended mind. It runs your systems, multiplies your effort, feeds your goals. One person types, another counts the result. Step 3. Build your agent using ChatGPT. Just go to gpts.chat.openai.com, click Create a GPT. Give it a name like My Strategic Brain. Paste your master prompt into the instructions. Hit Create. That's it. Your AI agent is live. Now watch what happens. Instead of getting a cold, generic reply like write a product description, you'll get a result in your tone with your goals for your audience. That's the power of a strategic agent. Asterisk. Need an email to a client? Done. Need a landing page draft? Done. Need a script, a funnel, an outline, a strategy? It's all there, and it sounds like you wrote it. We've seen creators build entire businesses on this. Consultants build offers in ours. Students write papers in their voice. Managers create automated reports with clarity and precision. Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow and subscribe, tag a friend, and drop the word prompt in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.